Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to share my experience in one particular trading in option trading. The script name of the script is UPL, the UPL 700 call option. I took this UPL 700 call option. I also gave this as a trading tips to my paid subscriber like Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazines. On the day of 31st March, I took this position at a price of 6 rupees 65 paise. The UPL 700 call option, it has a lot size of 1300 at a price of 6 rupees 65 paise. The investment will becomes around 8645 rupees. Let us say roughly around 8.6k. The investment of 8.6k becomes it has grown to 26k within a span of 4 days time. So the price 6 rupees 65 paise gone to a level of 20 rupees. So imagine such a massive growth. This is nothing but a triple money profit. I used to call this as triple money profit nearly. So nearly this is a triple money profit. What I mean to say that the investment has 3x times growth. The investment of 8.6k has a 3x growth within a span of 4 days. Is a massive growth in this volatile market condition, in this COVID-19 second wave fearful situation. Though the COVID-19 spread has gone more than 1 lakh in size, and lockdown announced in Mumbai, Delhi also, this makes a negative wave on the market. Though the market is volatile, though the market is fearful, though the investors are reluctant and restless, but it is possible for me to make money in the market. Though the market is volatile, but the market goes up, goes down, goes sideways, goes range bound, whatever it is possible to make such a amazing profit. Why this happens, how it is possible to make amazing profit in such a bad market? It's not a bad market, it's a reactant market, or otherwise I used to call this is a reacting market, reacting to news, reacting to fear market. So how it is possible to make money over fear? It is nothing but simply I am following a particular stock, I am tracking a particular stock, I am concentrating the particular stock, I am only concentrating the levels of particular stock, the price movement of particular stock, but I am not concentrating on Nifty and Bank Nifty and other background also. I am not looking about the broader market. Broader market is not necessary for me like a speculative trader. So I used to trade always with the speculative and operated call scripts alone. I don't trade with fundamentally strong scripts. So this is my lateral thinking, lateral way of doing trading. So it is possible for me to make such profits. It is possible for me to give successful trading tips more than years together for my Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazines. So this particular script made a 3x time profit. I repeat, 8.6k becomes 26k for one lot. Suppose a person traded with 10 lots means imagine such a growth of money. He would have earned in terms of lakhs of rupees. So if you want to have similar kind of profits, if you want to make a massive, amazing profits, a jackpot profits, or double money profit, or triple money profit, if you are ready to pay the subscription, you can go to the Bull Street blog. There you can find the subscription details for Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazines, or otherwise you can contact this WhatsApp number only through text message. Do not make a phone call, I will not answer. It is not possible for me to answer also. Do not send voice messages. It is not possible to listen the voice messages. We don't have time at all. So you please send text message to the WhatsApp number. I'll reply. I'll make my team members to reply. So if you want to make amazing profit, if you want to make such a big 1 rupee in over a period of 1 year, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazines. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.